Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to clean this Masterbuilt Electric Smoker. Now I've had this smoker for over a year and I've used it quite a bit and I love it. I even have a video of this smoker, so I'll make sure I leave that in the description below so you can take a look at that. It's an unboxing so you can see it from start to finish. But this video we're going to clean this out and I'll show you exactly how I do that. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm really going to give you a tour of just how dirty I've got this puppy. It's pretty awesome. I made sure that it's nice and dirty so we can do a good cleaning of it. So let's take a look inside here. Pretty daggone messy. So let's take a look at what we're going to use to clean this. Okay, so here's everything that we're going to use. We're going to use a little tarp, some apple cider vinegar, of course some rubber gloves, that way we don't get grease all over our hands, some Dawn liquid detergent, a few sprayers, some Scotch-Brite, pads, and some plastic scrapers. Now I'm going to leave links in the description to where you can get all this stuff, and so it'd be easy for you to find and all that. But this is all we're going to use, so let's get to that. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is just remove all the shelving units, the water holder, and the chip holder. So let's get to that. Alright, so I got my gloves on because this is going to be messy. Alright, so you can totally do this in your sink. I'm just doing this outside so I don't get all that stuff in my sink and going down my drain and all of that stuff. So I'm getting hot water using that Dawn, so this will help cut that grease and clean that up really nice. So I'm going to put this in and let's let this soak. Alright, so before I start in on this with the cleaning and everything, I really don't want to get everything on the concrete, so this is what the tarp's for. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take us a bottle, a little handy funnel, open up our apple cider vinegar, and we're just going to make equal parts water and to the apple cider vinegar. So in this case I'm just going to kind of fill it up a little bit. About halfway like that. Then let's fill the rest with water. And I want to make sure that I'm going to touch some warm water in this. There we go. Give it a little shake. And this is ready to use. And before we start spraying this whole thing out, I want to get sort of this the bigger stuff out of here. So I'm just going to take a scraper and just kind of go through here and get all this out. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to spray the inside of the smoker with that apple cider vinegar water mixture and then let that set. So let's do that. Alright, so while that's setting, I'm going to go ahead and wash off our little shelving units. Alright, so let's take our sponge and get to it. So after we do our scrubbing on our shelving units and everything, I'm just going to rinse them off, get all that soap off of there. And you'll notice it's not absolutely perfect. That's not what we're going for. We're not going for it to be new because the first use, it's going to be dirty again. We're just mainly looking to get a lot of that gunk and grime off there. So it's pretty clean for us to cook again. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and scrub this out. as I said before, you're not trying to get this absolutely perfectly new. You're just really trying to get a lot of that gunk, that bad stuff off of there. So it makes it a good place for you to cook your food again. Look at that mess. Oh yeah. So now we're ready to put on our rocks. Hey guys, so before I put this in, I would towel dry everything off, put everything in, then we're going to add our chips to it, turn it to our highest setting, and then let it smoke for about an hour to 2 hours. That gets all the moisture and everything out of the smoker. So besides that, that's it. Hope you guys hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to take a look at the unboxing of this. I've been using this for over a year and it's worked out really good for me. So until next time, appreciate you guys watching.